Uh, let's start new family. Click on this new family option and choose the right template. So I'll be choosing metric template, and as because we are creating furniture, so I'll be choosing metric furniture. So this is the right template for our furniture model. Let's choose this, go for open. And you know that we already have created our furniture model. So just we are combining and creating one single nested family. Uh, so this family template has been set. Okay. And let me open some other. So these are the view has been opened, and the model which I've created. Let me just open those. So this is one file. Let me open another. That is this one. Okay, so I have created two file. Okay, so this one is bigger in size, and I have named it as per that. And here also you can check it. Let me just show you. So from this end to this end, so here you can see that this is totally 30 something, and for this one, here we have everything. Okay, so for the model, you can create with the parametric and all. So this part, you know how to create with this parametric. So Lena and Hasmita, you have already created. Okay, so this part you have to create. So this part you have already completed, you have created. Now just open a new family template, and there you will be inserting those families. So let's go for it. And now let me just close them. Let me just close them. Yeah. So here, let's go for insert and load family. Okay. So I have saved it desktop, Revit, and these are my files. So let's choose both of them. These are the two family. Let's choose both of them and let's open it. And here within this project browser, you have this families option. And here you see this furniture is there, and you have successfully loaded this two family. All right. Now come to this create tab, and here you have this component. Okay, here you have this component. So let's go for place on work plane. So here I will be placing on my work plane. Right now I don't have any object, so I cannot put on any face. So let's go for place on work plane. So first I'm placing the normal counter family file. So this is the normal family file. Okay, so this is the file, and placing about the next file. So come to component and choose double sized this one. Okay,
This is already created or we should draw, sir?
it is already created. You have to create this one. So that
Okay.
that was the exam file.
Okay. Okay.
So with the different size, you just have to create two different model, or you can combine three different or four different. So it's totally depend on you. So the procedure, how many, it doesn't matter how many family you are nesting, that doesn't matter, but the process will be same. Even if it is for two or if it is for three, it will be same. Okay, so let me place it, and here you see. So don't worry about the placement, as because you will be placing for each in project. So if you want to align it, you can go for alignment. So that doesn't matter. Let me just align it. Yeah, yeah. So nothing to worry about. And here I hope you can understand that these two are two different. You can see it in 3D as well. Okay. So now you say that this is one file and this is one file. Okay, this is one family file and this is one family file. And within this family one, within this family file, you are nesting these two different family files. Okay, now don't select anything, and within the properties, what you have to set is you can choose this shared option. Okay, shared option, and this always vertical will be checked. Okay, so it will be always vertical as it is placed. And here we have another option that cut with voids when loaded. So if there are voids, so when you will be placing it, it will be cutting. Okay, so it will cut through any solid if you are placing on any solids. Okay, so if it is applicable, do check it. Right now there is nothing to apply here, so I'll not be applying this. Okay, so here my model is created, everything is fine for the model, so there is nothing to worry about the model. Okay, so you have to create the model perfectly, because here you cannot change anything in the model. So if you want to change in the model, so select it and go for edit family, and that family file will be opened, and there you can edit it. Now just see that here I have this visible instance parameter is there, right? Here I have this one, but this is not applicable for my th- this family, right? Suppose this is the main family, and within this main family I have these families, these two secondary families. So this family has the parameter visible, so I can control. But for the main family I need to assign it with the global parameter, so it will be visible within this family type here right now. So select it, go for any family that you have inserted, select it, and there you have this visible, and here you have this associate family parameter. So you have to associate with the family parameter. Okay, so this is the visible, as because this is a visible parameter. So it comes under the visible parameter. So it will automatically assigned with the parameter type yes or no. Okay, you cannot change the parameter type. So let's go create. Here you can see that yes or no, it is right now locked, and group parameter under visibility. Okay, that you have to check group parameter under visibility, and you name it. So you can either make it type or instance. If you want that, you can make it type or instance. So it totally depends on you. Let's go for it. So for this, you can make it like normal sized, or so which one I have selected. So normal size. So I'm just giving the name as per my choice. Okay. Whatever is applicable, give the name as per that. And let's click on OK. And here I have created. Let's click on OK. And here you can see that it is right now associated with the family parameter. So this one is associated with the family parameter. Right now it is created. Okay. And for this also, let's create. So it will be under visibility group, and let's name it double sized. Okay. Yeah. So here it is created, but it is within this single type. So what I need to do is I will uh like I will create two types, and within the types I will choose either this one or this one. You remember that while creating that room tag I had used that. right? So it's like the same. During the room tag, I have demonstrated this part. Okay, so let's create it. Like this is the type one, or you can go for like the length. So here, as per the values, you can name it. So the length is like 300 is the length, and about the width, that is 160, and about the height, that is 115 or 113, whatever it is. So as per that, you will name one type. So you have created one type, and so this is for which type? So this is for this family. Okay, so this one will be visible under this type, and the other one will not be visible. That's the simple thing. So let's create another one. Okay, so for this, you will be doubling everything. Okay, so like L is 600, as because I have created like that. The double size, whatever the length you have provided for your family, that you will be mentioning, and as per that, you will be creating this new type name. Okay, or else you can go for type A, type B. So it is totally depend on you. And W is 320, and H is 230. Okay, and that you can provide like this is in centimeter. Click on OK, and for this also, let's rename it centimeter. Okay, so I'll be choosing this one, and for this one, what will be uh this double size will be checked, and this normal size will be unchecked. Now go for it, and here you can see this one is checked for this type, and if you go for this one is checked. So click on apply, and let's click on OK, and it is created. It is very simple. And then open a project, or you can go for new project. Let me just show you in the project, and here let me change the visual style. Okay, so there you can see, you can go for, let me go for 3D, and there let me place it. So this one, load into project. Now here it is loaded, and I'll be placing it. And now you can see this is the category, and I have two type for this family one. I haven't saved it, as because I haven't saved this family one. It is still the name is still family one. So you can save it, and as per that, you will have the name. Okay, so you can go for this component. Here you will find place a component, and this is family one, and you can choose this one, so you will have the bigger values, and this one will be the smaller value. So let me place another so that you can compare. Okay, now if you change this type, there it will be the bigger, and here if you change this, it will be the smaller one. Okay, I hope you understand. And with the spacebar, you can change the rotation. This is how you will be creating. Okay, so thank you guys.